In this video, we're going to be covering how to use the Sunstone PILOT Electrode Sharpener. This is going to be used for all Orion and Zap welders. So the first thing that we want to do is identify that there's a diamond disc here, and that it's positioned correctly. And if we rotate this, we can see. So if we look closely, we can see that that diamond disc is at the center or just above the center of this slit. That's positioned correctly. If you need some help getting that positioned correctly, we have another video that can illustrate how to do that. Down here, we have the power button, and there are 3 speeds. I prefer to sharpen mine using power setting 3. The method for doing that is as we rotate it, we'll see the pilot hole, and in this case, it's right there. So we're going to put our pointy end into the hole, and we want it to rest right about here. And you'll see there's a little bit of wiggle, and that's okay, because we want to be able to apply just a little bit of pressure down so it makes good contact. And what we want to do is slowly turn the electrode, and then we can push down on this side, which will lift up on this side to reset. So spin, push down, lift up, turn, just like this. So let me turn this on, and then we can do that. So again, finding that pilot hole. I'm going to reset. And then when I pull that out, I can turn this off. And what I like to do is I like to check for its sharpness by just seeing if it grabs my skin just a little bit. That looks really sharp. And if it grabs my skin a little bit, then we're good. So this is the ideal sharpness for using an Orion welder or Zap welder. If you have more questions, please let us know.